one of my bosses at the time asked the question. He's like, James, it might be an oxymoron, but is there social media on the dark web? And I'm of course like, no. He's like, well, wait, maybe there is. You should have never asked that, because fast forward 2 years later, we're acquired twice. We turned into a product company overnight, and $100 million product, and it's still in use today, right? By the government. And it was called Obscura at the time. And what I figured out was a way to use distributed hash tables, which is part of the core technology of how the DNS distribution happens in Tor. Not to get too technical with this audience, but it spun out of the US Navy in 2002, believe it or not. Amazing tech. Truly a hidden service. Not only can you not find the IP, it's the protocol itself is set up that way, so you really can launch hidden services. Like, you would have to know about the thing if you wanted to use the thing, right? And just, I don't think they've ever really fully used that to its full potential, even to today, right? And I won't talk too much about it, but let's just say I found some really cool ways to get the largest list of domains for Twitter and index it in the entire world. I did become Google for the dark web at a certain point. 80,000 domains at the time. I don't know what it is now. 80,000 domains, and we were 24/7. You have every day the page could change, so you have to revisit the new page, right? Definitely a Google scale problem, right? And so you can imagine I was running it on a bare metal server, right, at the time. I have a whole bunch of horror stories from back then that we can talk about another time. But
that's a great LinkedIn headline. I built Google for the dark web, and